What's going on, everyone? My name is CJ Andrilli. I'm a dad of 3. I lost my career after 23 years. Let me tell you why I got involved with this program. It's one of a kind, let me tell you, because it comes with an amazing community. When I started with this program, there was less than 1,000 members, and now we are over 12,000 strong. We are out there. We are supporting each other. We are out there helping each other. There are people out there in our community that are very techy and helping everybody out with their tech. And just being so like a family. That's what we are. We're like a family and everything. My experience is I learned a lot since I've been doing this. I've not done digital marketing before, but since I've been doing this program, I have learned so many new skills, so many different ways to promote myself, so many different ways to promote online. And I'm just so excited with the new products that are coming out that I'm going to be able to brand myself. I am going to be able to set up the things, the website, the way I want it to be, to show myself, to show who I am. That's what I like about this, But, thanks for being here and welcome to our group. And I hope you learn a lot like I did. And you are so pumped up like I am right now. I just can't wait. Oh, man, this year is going to be golden. So welcome aboard, my friends.